Good afternoon, Geeta.
Good
How are you
afternoon, ma'am.
doing?
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also doing fantastic.
We are
Yes.
meeting after so long, and I was just thinking that how we can meet, but there was lots of problems. Skype
Yes.
retired, and somehow I managed today, and I thought,
Yeah, that's
first of
great. Yeah,
all,
actually, when it happens now when our intentions are honest, so we find the ways.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
true, so true. So, actually, I want to say that just like me, you also have keen interest in yoga, meditation, and you are passionate about English as well, just like me. And you are
Yes.
a teacher, you run a channel, you have to manage your households, you are into lots of things. So, could you please tell us today how you manage all of this? And please tell us about your
Yeah.
schedule too.
Yes. Yeah, first of all, I would say that I'm not doing something extraordinary. It is everything that is called time management. Somewhere I am following the rules that how we can utilize our time in proper manner. So
Mhm.
that's why I am able to do everything on time.
Yeah.
Yes. And another thing is that as you know that I have been an early riser. Even I am an early riser.
Mhm.
So I always manage my time well in that direction.
Okay. So, do you meditate also daily these days?
Yeah, I do meditation. I don't leave even a single day without meditation because
Wow.
in starting I felt that something is getting wrong or I am not doing in proper way. But
Mhm.
when any work we do continuously, so we get the ways that how we have to done that and how we can get a little bit perfection in particular thing.
Mhm. And Geeta, I am really curious to know about your English journey too. How and when did you start your English journey, and how has it been so far?
Yeah. Actually, I started my English journey in the month of March only when I started my channel, and it's been 1 year now.
Mm-hmm.
Before that, I was doing everything like listening, reading, writing, as everyone does, but I was not following it properly that skill that is listening. Oh, sorry, speaking skills. So I thought that I have to work towards my speaking also. So since
Mm-hmm.
then, when before that for 2 months I was talking with other co-learners in the month of January and February 2024. So
Mm-hmm.
that time I got appreciation from others co-learners that ma'am you are doing well, you should start your channel. So I started my channel after 2 months and till now I am working in quality manner and when it comes to my practice I never leave even a single day without practice.
Mm-hmm.
Those these days are hard. We are not getting enough facilities, but
Yeah.
if
Mm-hmm.
somebody just want to do something, so we can find some ways
Yeah.
where we can practice properly.
Yeah.
So nowadays I'm just working on my solo videos. So
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I'm uploading my solos one.
Yeah. So true. So true. So, could you please tell us about your short-term and long-term goal?
Short terms and long terms goals. When it comes to goals, so goals are, as you described, goals are of two types: long terms and short terms.
Yeah.
And our short terms goals are the part of our long terms goal. Because
Yes. True.
if we have decided something in our mind that this is our long term goal, So we have to done something on in that direction only.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, I have also my long-term goal, but if I have not describe or disclose this goal in front of others, but
Yeah,
I
so
am
true.
working in chunks
Yeah.
towards this goal. Last
Mhm.
year, my last year goals was my last year short-term goal was that I have to work about my fluency,
Mhm.
and I think that I have achieved that goal.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
and
Good song.
this
Uh,
year I'm just proceeding my goal in that direction only. Let's
mhm,
see, I am doing my 100%,
mhm.
and I hope that I will do my best to get that dream also.
Yeah. And last time you told about your son's marks also. So that he has done, he cleared his exam through flying colors and he got really very good marks. So how he is
Yes.
doing and he's in which class now? He is must
Uh,
be
if,
in ninth class, I think.
no, my younger one is in class 6th, and my elder one is now in class 11th.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, I forgot. I forgot. Yeah.
So, yeah, he has just topped, he has been English topper this year
Wow.
of the
Wow.
class.
So
Yes, he has
congratulations.
secured 95 marks in class 10th,
Mhm.
95% in English. Yeah. Sorry,
Wow.
96.
Wow, it's really great because why I asked about that because you are not only working and chasing your dreams, but you are just taking care of your loved ones. You are taking full attention towards your family also. So and it's really commendable.
Yes, actually, when we are a great thinker, no, so that time we are always worried. You can say worried or you can say aware
Yeah,
that we are
I think
always
about you, aware word is more means it is better. It is
more
better.
suitable.
Yeah,
Yes,
more suitable. Yeah.
yes. So
Yeah,
I am more aware about my children's future. Yes.
so true, so true. So, do you want to share something else today? Anything? Do you have?
I just want to know about your practice first. That how are you doing these days?
These days, actually, I am reading and listening more. And sometimes I connect that we are having lots of groups, ladies groups and other groups also. So sometimes I connect there. And today I connected with you. So let's see what happens. Next time I will.
That's great. If yeah, that's great. If you
Yeah.
have that equipment that you can
Mhm.
get leverage from that, so it is good.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, these days my son is doing his internship in Deloitte and he is here only. So he went to his office and that's why I'm able to avail his desktop. I learned it by he gave me a little bit of training that how I can use this and then I'm in
That's
front of
great.
you.
You have learned this technology for the sake of your learning. It's
Yeah, so
good.
true. So true.
I thought that in
Uh,
future, if there will be laptop with me, so I would also love to learn
Yeah, definitely
about this.
you will have your laptop soon because you are also a earning member of your family, so you can very easily purchase that. And these days we can buy anything on installment. It's really very easy. So
Yes.
it's not a difficult task. So,
Yeah. Actually,
hmm.
to spend money is of we can say there are two ways.
Hmm.
One can understand that they have just spent the money, and and other can take it like they have just invest the money. So
Yeah.
there are so many expenditure where we
Hmm.
spend the money and where we invest the money. So we should always think about investing.
Yeah, so it would be a great investment actually. And you
Yeah,
have to do that.
no doubt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So today I really enjoy our conversation. And if you want to ask something else, otherwise we should wrap up this session and we'll connect
Yeah,
again.
actually, it's been always a fabulous and fantastic session with you, full of energy, joy, and happiness. Because
Same here, same.
something I feel that you are an imperative person in my life.
Well, thank you so much. And I also think about you just the same. So definitely
Hmm.
we'll connect. Lovely connecting with you, Gita. Have a great day.
Okay,
Bye bye.
bye bye. Have a nice day.